welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tenisha, and mainly on my channel I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion. I'm definitely your girl for that. But today we're gonna switch things up a little bit. Today's video is gonna be a cooking video. As you can tell, I'm in my kitchen, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know what it is. I'll be cooking on Instagram, and if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me. My Instagram name is Tenisha Smith __. I'll have that linked in the description box, so make sure you follow me. I post weekly cooking videos and weekly restaurant reviews, so if that's something that you're in, if you're a foodie like me, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and hop right into today's video. Today's video is going to be a new segment on my channel. It's going to be called I Be Eating, because your girl be eating. But anyways, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and hop right into it. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to cook something very, very simple. I'm going to be showing you how to cook shrimp Alfredo. It is probably one of the simplest meals that anybody can cook. I mean, anybody. Your mama, your daddy, your cousin. Anybody can fix this meal. And I know a lot of y'all probably like the store-bought Alfredo, but we're not doing nothing store-bought over here. We're going to be making some homemade Alfredo sauce. So if you're ready, go ahead. Just keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make this. In today's segment of I Be Eating, we're going to be cooking some Parmesan shrimp Alfredo. And you don't really need a lot of ingredients, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what you need. You're going to need some shrimp. I say about a pound of shrimp, but this is actually 12 ounces, so I'm going to end up using 12 ounces of shrimp. You're going to need a pound of fettuccine noodles. You can use whatever kind of noodles you want, but this is my preference. You're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, and this is what I'm using. You're also going to need about a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese. And this is what I'm using. You're also going to need a stick of butter. You're not going to need the whole stick, but I recommend having a stick of butter. And you can season your shrimp however you want to, but this is how I season my shrimp. I'm going to say that again because it'd be a lot of haters in my comments. I'm going to show you how I season my shrimp. This is how I cook my shrimp Alfredo. You can always switch things up. Just a little bit. I'm using like some Great Value whipping cream. You don't have to. You can use a more expensive whipping cream. Basically on my channel, I try to make, affordable meals that everybody can recreate, because everybody don't have a lot of money to be purchasing a lot of stuff. Like, we in the middle of a pandemic, so I'm trying to give you some affordable but delicious recipes. Anyways, back to this. You can season it however you want to. I use a little bit of garlic powder. Also use a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. I love this Slap Your Mama. Slap Your Mama, if you're watching this, you should sponsor me because I love Slap Your Mama. Also going to use a little bit of parsley flakes. That's basically all you need in order to cook this Alfredo. It's not a lot. Like, you could probably buy all of this for less than $20 or roughly around $20. So we just gonna go ahead and get to making this. I'm also a little bit extra, so anytime I cook me something, I always got to do a side of something or a drink or something with it. So today, after we finish cooking this pasta, I'm gonna pair mine with a little bit of some 5-cheese Texas toast. Like I said, you don't have to use this, you don't have to use this brand, but baby, this is what I'm using. So first things first, you're gonna start by boiling some water. Nothing special about this. Just gonna get me a pot, and I'm gonna put some water in it. Like I said, nothing special, just boil some water. I am gonna put a little bit of salt in it. And while I have the water heating up or preparing to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my shrimp. So I'm going to take like a strainer, and I'm going to go ahead and put the shrimp in here. The shrimp is frozen, so you want to make sure that it's not froze. Like, you want to go ahead and unthaw it out. So we're about to do that. So So I'm just gonna take the shrimp and I'm gonna place it in this, and I'm gonna run some cool water over it. Basically, that's gonna thaw it out. Once that's done, then I'm gonna go ahead and season it. Now that we got the shrimp thawed out, we're actually about to season the shrimp. So I'm just gonna take the shrimp here, still have it in the strainer. I'm gonna place it on a cutting board and I'm gonna season it. I like to season stuff on cutting boards. I just feel like it's easier to, you know, clean, sanitize, disinfect, all of that. So that's the next step. So now that we have the water boiling, I am going to go ahead and put the noodles in. I do like to add a little bit of salt for seasoning, or I don't know. I like to add a little bit of salt. You can do that too. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of butter in it. I'm also going to place a little bit of butter in it also. Butter. We're gonna let the pasta cook for about 9 to 12 minutes. Well, for me, my brand of pasta says to cook for about 12 minutes. I like to let it cook for about 9 to 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You want to make sure that the noodles are done. You want to make sure that they're not hard. And you also don't want to overcook them. So just basically keep an eye on them. And while that is cooking, I'm going to set a timer so that I won't forget. And while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the Alfredo sauce. The Alfredo sauce is super easy to make. You're going to need only a couple things. You're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter. And you're going to need 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. You're basically going to whip all that together and just keep watching. You're going to see. Now the pasta should be done cooking. So now that it's done cooking, we're going to take it and we're going to drain the water out. And we're going to set that to the side. Now we've got basically everything done. We've got the pasta ready. We've also got the Alfredo done. And we are just going to go ahead and cook the shrimp. I saved the shrimp for last because I want my shrimp to be hot going on top of it with the Alfredo sauce. And baby, we almost done. Now that we've got everything cooked, we got the pasta cooked, we got the Alfredo sauce cooked, we got the shrimp cooked, we're about to assemble it together. Now that we got everything cooked, we got the pasta cooked, we got the shrimp cooked, we got the Alfredo sauce cooked, we're about to cook some of this Texas toast, this cheese bread. I'm going to put it in the oven at 425 for about, I'm not sure, maybe 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 7 minutes. But baby, we about to eat. And baby, that is how you make some shrimp Alfredo. Like I said, it was super easy, super quick, super affordable. I had enough to make 4 different servings, so you can adjust the recipe to your likings. And baby, this is what she looking like. Like, ooh, she looks so good. Y'all, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm about to go ahead and eat dinner. Hopefully you like this video. Go ahead and like it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And like I said, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm about to go ahead and eat, and I'm about to enjoy the rest of your night. So see you in next week's video.